Dear students, our today's question is: a car starts from rest at t equals 0 and reaches a final speed v at time t. If the acceleration of the car is constant during this time, which of the following statements are true? The first is the car travels a distance vt. Option second is average speed of the car is v by 2. C. The magnitude of acceleration of the car is v by t. Option D is the velocity of car remains constant. And E. None of the statement A through D is true. So from the given data, we can see that car starts from rest, so its initial velocity is equal to 0, and when it reaches a speed v, its final velocity becomes v. So this is its initial velocity, that is 0, and final velocity v. In the given options, distance is given in terms of vt. Here average speed is given in terms of v by 2, and here acceleration is given in terms of v divided by t. So first we have to find these terms: distance, average speed, and acceleration. To find acceleration, we have equation Vf equals Vi plus At. Vf is final velocity, Vi is initial velocity, and A is the acceleration, T is the time. As the car starts from rest, so its initial velocity is 0. By putting the values, we get V equals 0 plus At. From this equation, we get acceleration A equals V divided by T. Now the distance can be found by S equals VIT plus half AT square. As Vi is equal to 0, this one, and acceleration is V by T, so put the values in this formula. We get S equal 0 multiplied by T plus 1 by 2 V by T in place of acceleration and T square. Here square of T is cancelled out with this T, and the final S becomes 1 by 2 Vt. This is formula for distance. Now the formula for average speed is equal to S divided by T, where S is equal to 1 by 2 Vt. Putting the values in this formula, we get V average equal 1 by 2 Vt whole divided by T. Here T is cancelled by this T, and average speed becomes 1 by 2 V, or V by 2. Now these are the answers. V average equals V by 2, S equals 1 by 2 Vt, and acceleration equals V divided by T. From these options, first option is the car travels a distance Vt, where the distance is equal to 1 by 2 Vt, so this is not the answer, this is incorrect. Second is average speed of car is V by 2. So from here we can see that average distance is V by 2, so this is the correct answer. Option 3 says that the magnitude of acceleration of the car is V by T. From here we can see that acceleration equals V by T, so option C is correct. In option D, the velocity of car remains constant. This is wrong because velocity is changing here. Here is initial velocity and this is final velocity. And option D is incorrect because it says all of the options are wrong, but option B and C are not wrong, they are true.